How to add contacts on Brevo. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, it's one of the basics of getting started with Brevo is when you actually want to add your contacts or import them. And Brevo does have a great way to do so and is actually very easy to do. So let's just go ahead and get started. First, just go ahead and open up your Brevo dashboard, and then from here navigate to the left panel where you will find contacts. Just go ahead and click on that. And then we have the contacts, a normal page or the default page here, where it's just going to show us all the contacts that we have and all about them here. So I added myself in here, but you can feel free to just go ahead and add an individual contact easily by clicking on the top right where you will find create a contact. So you can just go ahead and do that. And then you can just go ahead and add first name. So you can just do John Doe here. And, actually this is going to be Doe. And then you can add the email for them, which you just add some random stuff here. And you can also do the SMS, WhatsApp, and more stuff here. You can add a lot of stuff about the actual contact. And then once you click on create, it's just going to be created for you. Let me just go ahead and add example.com, create, and we should have that contact in our contacts if we actually refresh the page. And we can actually see now we have the email, as we can see, and it's all going to show in here. So if you have the phone number for them, it's also going to show, and more stuff here as well. Now, how do we actually have or get more at the same time? So instead of actually adding them individually, we can just go ahead and import them from our Excel file and so on. We can also do so from the top right, import contacts. So if you just go ahead and click on that, we can feel free to just go ahead and click on contacts here and continue. And we can feel free to use a file instead of adding them individually. So you can see here we have three different options. Option number one, which is import from a file, which is going to allow you to import your contacts from a CSV, Excel, or TXT file or text file. You can also copy and paste. So paste the context as text from a spreadsheet or a similar list. So you can just go ahead and copy them and paste them in a space where it's just going to register them and it's just going to be able to add them. Or lastly, the last option here, which is import from another tool. So basically, if you were using another tool, you can simply go ahead and find them. For example, MailChimp here or Klaviyo. You can just go ahead and select them and you can just integrate with them and be able to move your contacts to Brevo. Now, if we just go back, I just got this file from the internet. It's just a sample file with 50 contacts. So you can just go ahead and click on import from a file. Click on the cloud here and just locate the file that we want, which is this one, a CSV file. And we can actually see all about them. So we can see the first name, last name, and all of those things. So click on confirm your file here. And you'll see here that we have the first name. We need to go to contact attributes and click on it and make sure that it says first name here as well. Same goes for last name here. So we can just go ahead and go for last name. I don't know about this last name, but anyways, we can just go to company name here and select the company attributes here, which should be available. We can just click on add the new attribute and name it company if you want, if you don't really find it as this case. And we can just go to address here. Surely address is available. Okay, maybe not. So we can also just go ahead and add them from here. And you can actually add every attribute to every single one of those. So with that, you can just click on confirm mapping, and then we can just confirm your list, which you can just go ahead and create a list for. I'm just going to name it test here. And yeah, I'm just going to keep it in my first folder. Click on create list and confirm your list. And just I confirm that my new import addresses are to these adheres, to these conditions, and these are the conditions you will need to read. And you also have more these options here as well that you can just turn on or off. And you can just go ahead and click on confirm your imports and we should be good to go. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.